Hatu gila ju perkat bakanja ayu hawa kinong rep ke baim na ka kam rep kam thung kisakut chajangai na lagi snong shalaki jaka rep klem don lat banlik phai shala snong kawanra ya ke jingkli bobon rukom de hangni ban sapoi ke jingkai ba jingtip ladi ba daladi ban rep no halaki per lada ngi dan jaka dementang ya phai sha argut ki rishimet ka Sanggita Sharma bat shu Ashok Kamat ki bade ki nong seng bat nong penya ya ka ana dana trust bat ki balak sakut ha kwe ki jakasa ha apa shlong naduk ka khar alterik banai leber kini argut ki wan shanong ba shlong lingba ka jingkhot ka Bio Resources Development Center ban kendu bat ban jarap ya ki nong rep jengi pheusi ki poi perkhat ban sakut ha kini ki jingkhang dam malapun banar ka sarkar habe kren baki halor kini ki jinge bakin yolat ne mali phai habadan kini ki jingkhang dam ni ka lockdown iwe na ki laong ba ngila pulut la ka por la jong jaka ba penun kam ye ki jajhor ki jajingthung ba penmi kani ki jaka hangni ba habang ngim yo ban mi ban thiet e shabar ngim bangse ban persang ban sedang thung ban sedang ki sambai ba bunjat kum ki so saw somken ki piat ki jor somken ukajor bat ki we kawai ne kimat ba kongsan ba ka Sanggita Sharma ba Ashok Kamat ki snguthu baha ke imlang salang ngisem jinjar ban pendap bam la kilong haki ying kisem ni haki shnong githau namar bade baduna ke jingtip ban penhe bat penroi ye ke jingthung bat jingrep kebaar gade bakadan kam ban tip bangidan kam bolong ke badap bam lani haka kentien nyarap lani haka kentien phareng ki ong ke food security habadap ka bam halaki shnong githau ka yarap ban pendap ye ki babon ki badan kam kalong shisho balade kapor bakinong rep jengi kede ban shem ya kasien jam bat kabor haladi omban up nishanya na kiwe kasanggita kalong ru bah kathan chate lamingi hi borok kawe kedi kathan ba phu bat kabla kurkhu kerpang da kami mariang bat karukomman rukomlong ka jaka kini ke rap shibon sha ya kinong rep ban persang penne pensa bat penbha la ki kam rep jengki kala ethu bahapo kata ka jaka ana dana kithung kirap kumba arpsan jaj ki jaj so bat kumba shispa san photam ki jaj jhor jaj jingthung baki penroi bat pentrei ki ong ngim judan kam ban mi shabar kani ke jaka jungi ban wat ni thiet na ki yo na war ngila dap lut baro ki jaj jingthung ba pher kila bandap na ka baong lada ki bor sarkar hakani ki jala ka jongi ringkat ba kiriu perkhat ki kloi ban wanra di ki matrikam lane kita ki policy na ka benta ki nongrep khnang ban penslur ya karep organic lane klem na pendan kam daki dawai bat ki kinja chemical bala ban khata ye ki breu babam kilong bakala de ka por ban sedang ban kersiu thia ye ki breu ha ka kamrep ban kin show ki marba marep khnang bandub la ban pendap ya ki por basem jing e ki kirmen ba jing a jumba jingki kan poi sha ka tingkong score ka sarkar bat sha kinong rep.
These are the labels whatever we have written down and they are all coming up now. So whatever was available here, we didn't buy anything from outside and you see how it is coming up. We asked them to dig, we made these beds now and that's how it started up.
Yes.
Lockdown garden in garden residency. Thanks to his employee manager and thanks to him, he gave us the permission. So we kept ourselves busy and now we are watering and you see the result.
See, lami, they put lami. They put lami.
Yeah.
Those, what is that plant? You said radish.
Radish. Muli. Now we have put, thanks to him, we have broccoli, we have corn, we have capsicum, we have what do you say, cauliflower, we have beans, onions, so everything in this small thing. So whatever he's going to have the next, we said 1 month we won't have vegetables, so we'll have vegetables here.
Food security is very important today for our nation because our food has become contaminated, it's polluted, and we want to make sure that our farmers are empowered to take charge of their food. So the basic origin of the food is seed, and seed is indigenous and there's a rich diversity in Meghalaya. We love the northeast for this, and Meghalaya especially has such a beautiful diversity that we are helping farmers at BRDC to conserve their diversity. And Annadana is our trust that has been working for 20 years in sustainable agriculture. We have food forests. We have created what you call as food forests, which in 1 acre we can show you what kind of diversity can coexist. As in, we have about 25 varieties of fruits like bananas, mangoes, jamuns, cherries, guavas, pomegranates, integrated with a diversity of about 150 varieties of vegetables. And that is integrated with medicinal plants, with herbs, with spices. We don't need to step out for our food. The whole purpose is that today, if communities become food secure, so if we are seed secure, we can be food secure. And that is the purpose of why we are here. It's basically seed and food autonomy. So seed independence means food independence. And as long as we are seed secure, see, seeds in itself carry with them culture, carries with them diversity, carries with them the freedom to stay alive, carries with them the diversity that is absolutely very critical to our well-being of the society. And seed is symbolic of a woman. If a woman can reproduce, a seed can reproduce. So what we believe that today communities across the country in India, if we were all community-based sustainable agriculture, we would not be in this crisis today. How come at Annadana that our farmers don't commit suicide? Because we have empowered them to think. We have empowered them to say, this is your diversity, take charge. This does not belong to a handful of multinational companies. The legacy belongs to us farmers. It belongs to our cultures. It belongs to our children. So that is how we can overcome any calamity or crisis. And despite now with this lockdown also, we have taken a lot of precaution. Our farmers have trained in Bangalore. They have interned and trained with us for 1 month. Today, the same farmers are driving the project. So what happens is we don't have to go into the fields today because they know exactly. So they communicate to us on the phone and say, these are the growth, these are the performance. What do we do? So we say, right, you tell us what you should do, because we've empowered them to think that you must become food secure. Because without food security, this crisis is going to escalate. And it's a calamity today. So the way to reverse it is becoming completely sustainable and to go back to our age-old traditions of sustainability. Show that sustainability for the youth, which is driven by the youth today. The young are the driving forces that once they are trained, once they are given direction, they can take charge. It's a matter of creating a curriculum, and it is a matter of creating the knowledge